everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Budgetsew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today, I'm going to show you my image sewing magazines that I bought from madebyoranges.com. Just a quick note before we get started. Today, I'm wearing a summer dress that I refashioned for fall. The link to the video with that DIY is right here at the top of the screen. One evening, I was poring over the designs in my most recent Berta Style magazine, and I wondered if I'd wear out the print on the magazine from looking at them so often. Then I thought to myself, there has to be another sewing pattern magazine out there. So I went on the internet and Googled sewing pattern magazines. To my surprise, there were a lot, but the one that caught my eye was My Image, because it's published in English and ships internationally to Canada. My Image is a trendy sewing magazine for women and teens that is published biannually in the Netherlands by Made by Oranges. They release a new issue every January and July. In the past, they've released special editions, but not recently. They also have two other magazines. The first is Miss Doodle, and it includes women's and children's sewing patterns, as well as the occasional men's and home sewing patterns. The other magazine is called Be Trendy, which is another sewing pattern magazine for children's clothes only. The website madebyoranges.com has full color lookbooks for each issue. I flipped through the pages of a couple of issues online, and I was in love. The designs and fabrics were gorgeous. I decided to place an order for around €50, which is about $65 Canadian. I ordered 14 My Image sewing magazines, which included the most recent issue, as well as 11 past editions and 2 special editions, for a grand total of €49.17. This total included shipping via worldwide priority mail. Made by Oranges mailed up to 7 magazines for €6.95, so my order included 2 charges of shipping. If you sign up for their monthly newsletter, you will receive an immediate 10% discount via email, which is an extra incentive to their already low prices. They offer multiple payment methods, including credit card, PayPal, and bank transfer. My order arrived in 4 envelopes in record time. Made by Oranges shipped my order the same day, and I received it in excellent condition about a week later. It was so fast. I even saved the stamps from the envelopes because they were so pretty. When I opened the magazine, I was floored. Large, full-page color photos with line art and fabric item and color numbers, so you can purchase the same fabric from New to Boom Textiles. New to Boom Textiles is in the Netherlands, but you can find their fabric in many fabric shops worldwide. All the garments the models were photographed wearing are included in the magazine. This includes some of the hats and scarves, as well as the occasional bag. The My Image size range is 34 to 52, or US sizes 2 to 22, or extra small to triple XL, with a height or body length of 170 centimeters or 5 foot 7 inches. This height is taller than Berta Style magazines. Choose the size that compares best with your measured size. Don't compare your measured size with the pattern, but with the size chart. The patterns are made with some extra ease depending on the model. Make dresses, blouses, and jackets according to the chest width, and trousers and skirts according to the hip size. The pull-out pattern pages are stapled in the center of the magazine, and the full-color, glossy instruction pages follow. Like Berta Style magazine, these patterns do not include seam allowances and hems, but they're easy to add on. The fabric width in the magazine is 140 centimeters or 55 inches. So if your fabric is not this size, the needed amount of fabric will be different. My image is published in English as well as German, Dutch, Spanish, and French. Unlike Berta that has a different issue for each language, my image has all 5 languages included in one issue. So we have French, Spanish, English, Dutch, and German. Each issue comes with at least one digital pattern. The digital patterns are not included in the magazines, but may be printed from the madebyoranges.com website for free using a promo code. For example, the most recent issue includes 2 digital PDF patterns that can be accessed with 3 easy steps. First, visit madebyoranges.com and go to PDF/books. Use the code included with the issue to order and download the pattern. Finally, print out the pattern and lay it out and tape it together. A detailed guide is included with the download. The most recent issue, My Image 25, was released in July of this year. This is their Fall/Winter 2022-2023 issue and includes 17 patterns and 2 free PDF patterns. There are dresses, blouses, tunics, trousers, tops, coats, and a hoodie dress. I feel that some of these designs are so versatile that they could be used for other seasons with just a change of fabric. One of my favorite pages in this issue was page 15 with the blouse M2254 and trousers 2258A. The beautiful print of the gathered waist top perfectly complements the suede look of the elastic waist split flared trousers. The top has long sleeves with elasticized wrists and can be made in viscose polyester or viscose. The pants can be made with or without the slit in the front seam or cropped. Another great look is dress MM261 on page 28. This ankle-length dress has a round neckline, long sleeves with elasticized wrists, an elasticized waist, side slits to the knee, and a loop and button closure at the back neck. The recommended fabrics are viscose polyester or viscose. The instructions for this model are step-by-step illustrations with the written instructions. I also love the Dominique S1121 top. This is a free PDF pattern, so it's not included in the magazine, but you can order and download this pattern for free off their website. The top has a round neckline, flared sleeves, and is fitted through the body. It is perfectly paired with the trousers MM258A and is on page 30. Another issue of My Image is number 24 for summer 2022. It includes 18 patterns and 2 PDF patterns. Another great look is M2204 top paired with the M2209 trousers on page 5. The top is semi-fitted with a notched neckline and the facing folded outwards, and the short sleeves are gathered into elastic casing. The suggested fabrics are cotton polyester and viscose. The pants M2209 have an elasticized waist and ankles, a front fly, and slash front pockets. The recommended fabrics are linen and viscose. These pants look so cool and comfortable and would be perfect for a shoeless stroll on the beach while dipping your toes in the water. Then there's the M2206 top with the M2203 trousers on page 17. I just love how Joelle models this outfit. The top is semi-fitted with a round neckline and 3/4 length sleeves gathered with an elastic cuff. This top may be made with knits or woven fabrics because knit fabrics like viscose elastin or cotton elastin, as well as woven fabrics like cotton, are recommended. The M2203 straight leg trousers have an elasticized waist and front/hip pockets. The suggested fabrics are linen and viscose, and the trousers have an approximate length of 98 centimeters. These pants look perfect for summer. Next on page 32 is the M2210 dress. This above the knee dress has princess seams, a round neckline, short sleeves, and a back invisible zipper. This pattern recommends knit fabrics such as viscose elastin and polyester viscose elastin. The back length is approximately 94 centimeters. Looking at the pattern, this dress could be easily transformed into a more formal look by lengthening the hem. The third magazine that I'll show you is My Image number 13 from Fall Winter 2016-2017. This magazine was part of the bundle of 5 magazines of your choice for €14.95. I just love the outfit on page 8. Model 1567 is a long sleeve sweater with an attached capelet. This sweater usually uses about 2¼ yards or 2.1 meters of fabric and should be made from stretch fabrics only. I also like the buttons and curved pocket detail on the front of the pants, model 1663. The pants are full length with a left side zipper. I love these pants so much that I've already drawn up the pattern. I think that I may move the zipper from the side to the front of the pants when I sew up this pattern, but I'm not sure yet. I don't want to detract from the lines of the pattern. The recommended fabrics for pants 1663 are cotton viscose and viscose lycra. This outfit is perfect for fall. Page 25 has lovely dress and coat patterns. The dress 1656 has long sleeves gathered into an elasticized wrist. The dress has pleats on the neckline and a back zipper. The back length is approximately 65 centimeters or 25½ inches. The recommended fabrics are cotton viscose, viscose lycra, and viscose. This version shows a lace dress over a lining, but another version, such as the one on page 20, is not made out of lace. The coat 1659 is a showstopper. I love the fabric choice as well as the pattern. M1659 is a mid-length coat with patch pockets and a tie belt. The suggested fabrics are mantle fabrics such as coat fabrics. It's a longer coat, so the back length is approximately 123 centimeters or 48½ inches. I enjoyed each one of the 14 magazines so much that I placed another order so that I had one of every magazine that they offered on their website. The low price of the past editions and the shipping costs, the speedy delivery, and the gorgeous patterns and fabrics have made me a die-hard fan. I'm counting down the weeks until the next issue is released in January, and I hope to show you more patterns. I hope you enjoyed my Image Sewing Pattern Magazine haul from madebyoranges.com. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. I love sharing my new, vintage, and out-of-print sewing patterns, and my tips, tricks, quick fixes, and even my mistakes when sewing along with you. I also love sharing my wonderful fabric finds that I thrifted from charity shops, as well as brand new fabric online and in store. If you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe and press the bell so you receive a notification when I release a new video. If you'd like to stay up to date with Budgetsew, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Thanks for watching. See you next time.